Good morning, XRP family. It's your boy XRP 420 here. Today is December 31st, 2024. New Year's is ahead of us. We're going into a mega bullish cycle these next few weeks, guys. It's fucking game time. Make sure you guys lock in. Don't get fudded out. Don't get shaken out. Because we're about to make life-changing wealth. XRP is currently at $2.11, guys. We are 3.31% up in the last 24 hours. Good Morning Crypto says new SBI Holdings could adopt MicroStrategy Bitcoin model, buying XRP. SBI Holdings investment in Ripple and XRP is worth around 1.6 trillion. That amount exceeds SBI's own market cap of 1.2 trillion yen. The GAM Global Speculation Situations Fund recommends that the SBI Holdings start an active and public XRP coin buying program, guys. This strategy would mimic the highly successful XBT strategy pursued by MicroStrategy in the US. Yoshitaka Kitao emphasizes that Ripple should be preparing for its IPO as soon as the SEC matter is resolved. Let me know, guys, if you're going to be buying Ripple post IPO. I'm really thinking about it. I think Ripple's going to be the next Google and or Amazon. So I think I am going to actually use some of my holdings from this bull run and reinvest it in a Ripple. Do you agree SBI's holdings should initiate a buyback program? Let's hear what he says, guys.
And from a global perspective, and we've talked about this before, SBI Holdings, their critical position, not only with Ripple, but just in the banking system within Asia. And I want to show something here. SBI Holdings, XRP is worth around, they have holdings right now. Let me kind of zoom in on that for you guys. Their XRP is worth around 1.6 trillion, $10 billion, and this is in yen. This is higher than SBI's market cap of 1.2 trillion yen. So they actually have more value in XRP than they do in the company value itself. So are they becoming the MicroStrategy of XRP? Well, there's some things that could possibly predicate that is actually what's going on here. I want to show you something right here. This was a press release that they had. This was a letter to their CEO. And this came in from the Global Special Situations Fund. And they hit on a few things here. I want to go into a couple of the items that they were asking for. This is kind of showing their stock price when there was even a potential, let me kind of zoom in on that for you guys, a potential of them selling XRP. This is what happens to their stock price. So what they said is we've got to kind of protect against that. So let's do this. We believe that shareholders would greatly benefit if, these were the things that they were hitting in, SBI would publish a daily live indirect value of its XRP holdings, number one. They would also create a strategy in blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies, so have a business that's built around this. Sound very familiar to you? There's another popular company out there that's doing this now. And then three, it says that SBI should have an active and public XRP coin buying program. Rather than pay cash dividends, SBI shareholders would benefit greatly if they would do a buyback program by recycling part of its cash flow and going into both banking and the security side of their business. I want to show you the CEO of SBI. Take a look.
何週間かで裁判所の結論が出ると彼は考えてるみたいです。結論が出て、リップルの XRP がコインだということになると、これは大変な値段になると思います。我々外部の筆頭株主ですから、大変なキャピタルゲイン、売ればキャピタルゲインでリアライズされますけど、売れなくても相当なものになるだろうというふうに評価上ですね、思ってます。多分結論がポジティブに出ればすぐにマネジメントは株式公開に踏み切るというふうに思います。
I want to go to a tweet from that CEO, and here's what he said, translated. Ripple should begin preparing for its IPO as soon as possible as once the SEC matter is resolved. This is going to happen in early January, so we could see something maybe being announced. Don't know if that's going to happen, but that would be a calendar date that I'd be watching for is mid-January. So, and the point being is that this is exactly what MicroStrategy has been doing, selling stock to go out there and leverage back in on Bitcoin. Same thing that could be happening here with XRP. So this is getting interesting, guys. Very, very interesting.
Guys, you're not bullish enough. We are going to be the next 1%. Lock the fuck in. Guy on the Earth says XRP, the sleeping giant, awakens. Today we talk about price predictions and where XRP is likely to go short term and by the end of the cycle. Below we have the 2013 bull run fib retracement and extensions. As you can see, the bull run topped in 2013, was followed by 4 years of consolidation before XRP exploded in 2017, guys, reaching the top of the fib extension in just 3 months. From there, we extended beyond that further, 1,100% in 2017. Let's take a look at the market and how it compares now. And then I'm not going to read all of this, guys, but it was an excellent post. Final thoughts by Guy on the Earth. I see XRP at $1.71 by the 3rd of January. I see a longer and deeper consolidation than most expect. I see a real possibility of 133 or even 87 cents being touched. If 87 cents is touched, guys, I'll be buying more XRP. I see XRP extending to $13 minimum this cycle and consolidate there for the same before a blow-off top. The blow-off extension can reach $27 by January 2026. Realistic take profits points, guys, are 530, 850, 13, and 27. If we don't reach near 27, I'll be holding 50% of my XRP like I have done since 2017. Excellent strategy. This strategy will provide great profits for reinvestment at lower levels and some well-earned timed off in 2025, 2026. Excellent post. I agree with a lot of these numbers. I think these are actually going to come to fruition next year, guys. And Melly Crypto Barbie says, wow, MoonPay says we're turning all of Europe purple in 2025. Purple is XRP. 2025 will be the year all XRP holders have been waiting for so long, guys. MoonPay says we're turning all of Europe purple in 2025. I'm not a huge Riddler, guys, but it is a fucking coincidence that XRP has a purple flag and has been had a purple flag on these riddles that's been going around for the last few years of people who supposedly already know what's going on with XRP. So let me know if you guys believe that in the comments. Mike Paul XRP says XRP is right at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, just like it was before at 49 cents. Come on, 2025. Guys, the Bollinger Bands were fucking crazy. People were talking about this 2 months ago. How coiled we were and we were waiting for a breakout. Now the breakout has happened and it's starting to coil again, guys. What do you think's going to happen once all this great news comes out in the next few weeks? It's game time. Just make sure you guys don't get flooded out. We're going to see pullbacks. It's totally normal in crypto. Just hold your bags. Trust me, if you guys don't watch Blockchain Backer and other chart analysts, they typically have a good eye for this stuff. And they can tell you, again, not telling you when to sell, because realistically, nobody really knows if it's going to keep going up or keep going down. XRP could go to 0 tomorrow. But we're going off of the fact that XRP has amazing utility. It's the only cryptocurrency that exists that does what it does. And that's what people typically put their money on. If you lose it, you lose it. Or if you become the next 1%, you become the next 1%. The only thing you can do is educate yourself and make the best investments that you can make for yourself. The Bollinger Bands are tight again like they were a few weeks ago, guys, which typically signals a big push up. We'll see. Bark says, wells are accumulating XRP hard. The next run will be historic. Make sure you guys have exposure. Sorry, guys, I got a bit of a cold because of this weather. Guys, do not get flooded out. Make sure you have exposure. Try not to buy at the top. If you guys are buying now at $2 and some change, I realistically do think XRP is going to touch that $8 to $12 mark. I know a lot of my subscribers were telling me $16 is actually in play as well. Those numbers I think are totally achievable this bull run. Triple digits, if it happens, shit, I won't be complaining. But we got to be realistic here, guys. Please don't wait until XRP is $3 or $4 or $5 to start buying XRP and then get mad if you got to wait a few weeks or say this shit dips again in the next few weeks. Just be smart about your investments, guys, and make sure you have exposure. Zayev says Ripple's head of payments visions 300 trillion cross-border flow. XRP is supposed to handle it all, guys. Assuming it handles 300 trillion flow with the circulating supply of 52 billion XRP, that would be approximately $5,700 per XRP, guys. Let's hear what she has to say.
Hi, I'm Pega Sultani, and I'm the head of payments product at Ripple. So what I find fascinating is that trillions of dollars of value move across borders every year. By 2030, it's expected to reach 300 trillion. Despite this growth, global payments are often expensive, slow, prone to error. Fortunately, at Ripple, we're changing the way value moves around the world. We use blockchain technology and digital assets to enable faster, more affordable, and more transparent payments for both our customers and their customers. Here's how it works. Let's say a business wants to send pounds from the UK to the Philippines. First, they request an FX quote on pricing and foreign exchange. The business receives the quote, approves it, and then submits payment instructions. A digital asset acts as a bridge currency moving from the UK to the Philippines. It is then converted to local currency through Ripple's global partner network. The recipient then receives the exact amount quoted to them in Philippine pesos in real time. It's that simple. And when you're ready to scale to new corridors, Ripple's global payout network provides access to key markets and currencies, including many that were traditionally difficult to reach. You can start transacting within as little as 3 weeks, and your payments will settle in seconds, not days. The future of finance is here.
Guys, you're not bullish enough. Even that video just made me even more fucking bullish, man. You know what? I don't even think I'm going to be selling my XRP this cycle. Don't at me in the comments. I don't think I'm selling this cycle. High Vibe says, XRP holders, all trials, beta testing, and case studies are finished with Ripple. Regulations are coming on board for us within the next few weeks, guys. XRP ETF 2025 explosion. Accumulating. It's game time. Let's hear what they say.
And so I think that kind of the ability to roll up and be a multi-chain or chain agnostic is huge. And, the XRP ledger, you guys are going to be continually upgrading, scaling, and changing there. But the ability to be, cross-compatible with other assets and tokens, I think is where we're going, is this multi-chain future. Because when you go to a website, it's generally pulling from multiple servers, multiple databases to resolve a single image or a single page. And I think that's going to be a lot of what we're going to see here in the near future, is that, there is no one chain to rule them all. Like Swift, you were kind of like, yep, either you're a bank and you use Swift, or you're just not in, you're not included in the financial system. So I think you're entirely right. We're going to see a lot of, evolutions. We've already proven, a tokenized JPEG, that of the concept of digital scarcity can be worth tens of millions of dollars and hold the value and be able to trade as a financial instrument. Whether that's legal or even anyone cares, it's a great alpha test to showcase. Now we're ready to start beta testing, what we're talking about today, which is real world assets, real title, and start moving from, millions and billions to hundreds of trillions of dollars into blockchain technologies.
100%. Couldn't agree more.
What do you?
Excellent post by High Vibes, guys. Again, you are not bullish enough. Good Morning Crypto says, Paul Barron on the XRPL activity. This is a perfect storm starting to brew with XRP and where this technology is going. He further stated back in December, trust lines started exploding because people started understanding what's going on. Along with that, you also have the DEX volume exploding, and you also have the active addresses continue to increase. Let's hear what he has to say.
This is showing that several things here. One, of course, is the yellow. That's the total amount of XRPL trust lines. So
also, guys, Tether is supposed to be delisted. Real US. Who do you think is going to take its place? Real USD just got announced. All of this shit is falling in place, guys. Just make sure you guys are vigilant, and make sure you guys don't get caught out not holding the bag. Please invest in XRP if you have. I'm not telling you guys to buy now. If you want to wait for a dip, I get it. But please hold your bag if you don't have. If you have XRP already. If you do not own XRP, I think the best buying point was actually a week or two ago. XRP dipped. Actually, recently I think XRP dipped to $1.90, but now it's shot back up. I honestly don't know if we're going to get under $1.90, guys. So, make your best call. Invest with what you're willing to lose.
Remember, we saw this big explosion. Then a lot of old holders basically selling their XRP because they had seen profits for the first time. And then what happens back here in early December? Boom. Trust lines start exploding because people start understanding what is going on. Along with that, you also have the DEX volume exploding. You also have the active addresses continuing to increase. What you have here, guys, is a perfect storm starting to brew with XRP and where this technology is going. This is showing that several things here. One, of course, is the yellow. That's the total amount of XRPL trust lines. So remember, we saw this big explosion. Then a lot of old holders basically selling their XRP because they had seen profits.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm baked. I didn't even realize it replayed, but excellent post by Paul Barron. Excellent news. XRP is going to the moon, guys. XRP guy posts, guys, breaking news. The governor of India's central bank has called for a ban to Bitcoin and Ethereum, advocating for XRP to be used in payments instead. With the done on the line works to implement Ripple's technology. XRP is about to take off. The governor in India, guys. XRP is doing big things overseas. Remember, GigaChat Brad already said that he doesn't have any U.S. business yet. Wait until Trump goes into office next month. It is fucking game time. Last post of the day, guys, by Crypto Sensei. Breaking XRP will become tax-free, as long with these other as well as these other companies. Remember, Trump said once he comes into office, U.S.-based cryptocurrencies will be tax-free. So any money we make off of any of these chains, guys, and it's a huge coincidence that a bunch of these coins are ISO 20022 compliant. Algo, XRP, XLM, XYO. Guys, this is going to be like the fucking Avengers of crypto. It's game time. Make sure you guys lock in. I hope you guys have an amazing first of the year. And Happy New Year's to all of you. It's your boy XRP420 here. I appreciate all the love in the comments. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Enjoy the time off with your family and friends tonight. Make sure you guys get lit. Smoke a fat one for me. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.